Started college and confused where to begin coding? Here's your ultimate first-year roadmap in under 3 minutes. Let's go. Part 1, Semester 1. Foundation Phase, 0:15 to 100. Semester 1 is all about building your foundation. Pick one language, C or Python. Python is beginner-friendly, while C builds strong logic. What should you learn? Variables and data types, loops and conditions, arrays functions. Use platforms like W3 Schools, FreeCode Camp, or Geeks for Geeks to practice. Don't just watch tutorials, code along every day. Part 2, Semester 2, DSA mode on, 1 to 2. In Semester 2, shift gears, start learning data structures and algorithms, DSA with C++ or Java. Begin with arrays, strings, stacks, and queues. Sorting basics. Solve 2 to 3 problems daily on LeetCode, HackerRank, or Code Studio. This builds your problem-solving skills, essential for internships and placements. Bonus. Build a mini project like a calculator, quiz app, or to-do list. It proves you can build, not just learn. Tools you must know, 2 to 230. Now, learn the tools every developer uses, Git and GitHub, for version control, VS Code, your main coding editor. Learn clean code practices, proper comments, and readable naming. Wrap up 230 to 255. Start small, stay consistent. 1 hour a day is all it takes to stand out by the end of first year. This roadmap isn't just theory. It's your first step to becoming a real developer. Follow for more tech roadmaps.